Hey YouTube, this is my 8-month-old puppy. He's 80 pounds. I don't know if the camera does him justice or not, but this is little sister. That's Goliath. That's Samson. But that's Titus. That's my breeder. That's all he's there for. Bust nuts. Huh, Bubby? Oh, yup. He's got a pretty head. He has a beautiful star on his chest. He's just gorgeous. He's a blue pit. But no, he's not a blue pit. He's a seal. He's actually turning red in the sun. If you can look close, you can see the red tint. You take him out into the sun, he turns red. But right now, he's a blue nose, through and through. But, you know, on top of his head right there is red. You get closer, you can turn red. Yeah, you get close, he turns red. You get close, he turns red. And Titus, ma bubba, adasasta baba, atasta mama, asara mama, asara dadasta, arakstar mama, baba, ababa. How big are you, baba? I'm big.